And so while all of this neighborhood, there's a dam right there, was underwater, that means the sewage and stuff for this area of Ponderosa Forest was really backed up. And so the smell that I'm smelling right now as I drive through, and even sometimes when I run through since this has happened, it smells like sewage. It smells like dried sewage and like an old fish tank or something. Let's see. Slow me down. You can see just the devastation of everything that's happened and just how unfortunate everything has become. And really it happened like overnight too.